Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cameras for wildlife photography that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, this list has something for everyone. You can find the product links in the description below, so let's dive right in. Coming in at number 5 is the Kodak PixPro AZ405BK, which stands out as the most budget-friendly option on our list. Priced at just $189. This camera offers a solid entry point for beginners in wildlife photography. The standout feature is its 40 times optical zoom paired with a 24mm wide-angle lens, allowing you to capture distant subjects with surprising clarity. With its 20-megapixel CMOS sensor, you can expect decent image quality in well-lit conditions. The addition of optical image stabilization ensures that your shots remain steady even at full zoom. In terms of design, the AZ405BK sports a lightweight and compact build, making it easy to carry during long outdoor trips. The 3-inch LCD screen is sharp and responsive, though it lacks the articulating functionality seen in more premium models. One downside is the reliance on AA batteries, which may feel outdated, though it does allow for quick replacements in the field. While the video quality is capped at 1080p Full HD, it's adequate for casual wildlife vlogging. However, the Kodak PixPro struggles in low light conditions, and the autofocus can be hit or miss with fast-moving subjects. This camera is ideal for beginners or hobbyists who want an affordable and portable option without diving into professional-grade gear. If you're just getting started in wildlife photography, this is a great stepping stone. At number 4, we have the 2024 Upgrade VJ Anger digital camera. This camera is a versatile choice for anyone who wants a compact and user-friendly option for both photography and vlogging. Its standout feature is the 64-megapixel resolution, which delivers crisp and detailed images, perfect for capturing the intricate details of wildlife. It also comes with Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to transfer photos to your phone instantly, a handy feature for sharing your shots on social media. The design of the VJ Anger camera is sleek and lightweight, making it a great travel companion. The 180-degree flip screen is a fantastic addition for vloggers, letting you frame your shots perfectly. The inclusion of 2 batteries and a 32GB micro SD card in the box is a thoughtful touch, ensuring you're ready to shoot right out of the package. However, keep in mind that this is a point-and-shoot camera, so it lacks the advanced manual controls and optical zoom found in DSLR or bridge cameras. On the downside, the 16 times digital zoom doesn't compare to the optical zoom capabilities of other cameras on this list. Additionally, while it markets itself as a beginner-friendly option, its lack of optical image stabilization and limited low-light performance make it less ideal for fast-moving or dimly lit wildlife scenes. That said, if you're looking for a lightweight, Wi-Fi-enabled starter camera with excellent resolution, the VJ Anger is worth considering. At number 3, the Panasonic Lumix FZ80D earns its spot with its impressive 60 times optical zoom and 20 to 1200mm wide-angle lens, making it an excellent choice for capturing wildlife from a distance. What sets this camera apart is its ability to record 4K videos, which is perfect for those looking to capture their wildlife adventures in stunning detail. The 4K photo feature is another highlight, allowing you to extract 8P stills from your videos, a handy tool for fast-moving subjects. The design is robust yet lightweight, and the electronic viewfinder ensures clear visibility even in bright sunlight. The Power Optical Image Stabilizer does a fantastic job of reducing handshake, especially at full zoom. However, the camera's autofocus can occasionally struggle to keep up with fast-moving subjects, which might be a drawback for action-packed wildlife scenarios. While the Panasonic Lumix FZ80D delivers great value for its price, its performance in low-light conditions is not as strong as some higher-end models. Additionally, the reliance on a MOS sensor means image quality may not match that of DSLR cameras. Overall, this camera is ideal for beginners and intermediate photographers who want an affordable yet feature-rich option for wildlife photography and videography. Our runner-up is the Nikon Coolpix P950, a super zoom camera that's a dream for wildlife enthusiasts. With an incredible 83 times optical zoom, equivalent to 2,000 millimeters, this camera allows you to get up close to your subjects without disturbing them. The P950 also supports RAW format shooting, giving photographers greater flexibility in post-processing. It's equipped with a 16-megapixel CMOS sensor and the ability to record 4K UHD video, making it a versatile option for both stills and video. The build quality is excellent, with a sturdy grip and a rotating LCD screen that's perfect for composing shots from unique angles. The dedicated bird and moon modes are thoughtful additions for wildlife and astrophotographers alike, optimizing settings automatically for these challenging subjects. The image stabilization is reliable, which is essential for reducing blur at extreme zoom levels. However, the P950 is on the heavier side and may not be the most portable option for long hikes in the field. The autofocus is good, but can falter slightly with fast-moving subjects. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Nikon Coolpix P950 is a powerhouse for wildlife photography, offering unparalleled zoom capabilities and advanced features for enthusiasts and pros alike. And finally, taking the top spot is the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera. This camera stands out for its superior image quality thanks to its 24.1 megapixel sensor and wide ISO range of 100 to 6400, which can be expanded to 1200-800. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or early morning twilight, the T7 consistently delivers sharp, vibrant images. The dual lens kit, which includes an 18 to 55 millimeter lens and a 75 to 300 millimeter telephoto lens, provides exceptional versatility for capturing both wide-angle landscapes and distant wildlife. The build quality is solid, with a comfortable grip and intuitive controls that make it suitable for beginners transitioning into DSLR photography. The optical viewfinder offers 95% viewing coverage, and the 9-point autofocus system ensures precise focusing. While it doesn't record in 4K, the full HD 1080p video resolution is still high quality, making it a good option for wildlife videography as well. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 excels in its value proposition, offering professional-grade features at an accessible price point. However, it lacks built-in image stabilization, so a steady hand or tripod is recommended for sharper shots. Overall, this camera is perfect for serious beginners and intermediate photographers who want a reliable, high-performance DSLR for wildlife photography. It's our top pick for a reason. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in finding the perfect camera for your wildlife photography needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Have questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy shooting!